Do you know anyone who may have access to the morgue or anyone who could get into the morgue, like a hospital worker?
My crazy boss might. I'll do anything to help you. I'll be with you on this.
I think we need to find the coroner first. I have a lot of questions.
I really need something from you. It's for my story. I need to know if you have any information on the coroner who's overtaking the victim found in the forest. His name is Victor, and you assigned me to the newspaper script about it earlier. Just need the coroner if you can get that. Oh, you don't know? Well, thanks for trying to help anyways. No luck in the coroner. My boss has no clue.
I think I found him. There's just one main coroner who overtakes the whole town. I found him. It's near my house. Do you think you could call? I feel like you would be much better on the phone than I would.
Yeah, of course I'll call him. What's the number?
I just texted you the main phone number.
Thanks, I'll call right now. Oh, hi, is this the coroner?
Yes, that's me. But this is my hospital phone. I only work at the coroner's office once a week.
I have a few questions about the person I think you may be examining. His name is Victor Myers.
I cannot disclose any personal information about him or the case. Unless you want to exchange some money.
Oh, so you want me to pay you money? Couldn't you get fired for this?
Do you want the information or not?
I can get some from my boss and my savings. Is $500 okay?
Good. Now drop it off outside in the mailbox. I am currently on my shift right now and clearly not in the center. I can't do anything about it right now.
Alright, I'll drop it off later.
Anyways, thank you for your service. Bye now.
He said he would give us information for $500.
I can't afford that. How are we gonna do this?
Borrow some from my boss. He lends us money for stories and I have some saved.
Oh my god, are you sure you're up for this?
I'm fine. I don't want to be seen, so it is fine if you give me the money in an hour. I'll send you it on the app. I cannot travel to the office, and since you live closer, I think it's better.
Yeah, of course. I'll do that.
Thank you. Call me back when you get it, and you're done.
Okay, bye, thanks. I'll copy it at the store. Yeah, I just printed it and I just dropped it off. I think he's here. There's a creepy van outside. And the lights are on, so hopefully he gets it. Call him again and make sure he did, so I didn't drop off the wrong place. But it does seem like the right place. So, okay, bye.
Yes. Okay. Now I'll leave the money in the mailbox and then you can come pick it up. Thank you. Thank you for your service, actually. Bye now. I think I might have just found the money for that storage room for you. The date is May 10th, 2022, and this is in regards to a confidential information on a case. Do not share this information. The victim has multiple growths all over his face, body, and inner mouth. His eyes have developed an infection of some sort, and his throat looks like he recently undergone a serious infection of fungal sickness. I will now look inside his chest via our photographic system. His airways are filled with serious mucus and pus. Gives me the idea he had a very serious disease and infection. Odd growths inside his chest too. Seems pus-filled too.
The coroner just sent me a recording. Can you listen while on the phone now?
Yes, of course. I'm all ears for this.
The date is May 10th, 2022, and this is in regards to a confidential information on a case. Do not share this information. The victim has multiple growths all over his face, body, and inner mouth. His eyes have developed an infection of some sort, and his throat looks like he recently undergone a serious infection of fungal sickness. I will now look inside his chest via our photographic system. His airways are filled with serious mucus and pus. Gives me the idea he had a very serious disease and infection. Odd growths inside his chest too. Seems pus-filled too.
What in God's name is going on?
Something is going on. This is so weird.
I think I need to contact an old friend. He has experiences in forests.
Why do we need that?
You'll see.
New message from Mr. Knightley. What now? Oh my god.